Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and if you're new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I did this simple bubble hairstyle using my DIY Brazilian wool clip-ins guys. So let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to start off by sectioning the part. I'm going to do two bubbles right here at the front, and I'm going to put that section away, and then we're going to start with the back. So for the back, I'm going to have two sections. So I'm going to start by sectioning the first section right here at the back, and then I'll add my clip-ins. Guys, if you want to know how I made this the clip-ins using Brazilian wool, I'm going to link the tutorial in the description, and I'll also pin it in the comment section down below, so do go and check it out. Right here at the back, I'm going to be installing two 4-inch clip-ins with two clips each. Yeah, so just open your line, and this is a 4-inch clip with two clips. So just clip it right there, and then I'm going to open another line, and then I'm going to install another 4-inch clip right here, and then I will tie my hair. So right here at the back section, I'm going to have only two clip-ins right here at the back, and then on the top part, I'm going to be having 3 clip-ins. After tying the back section, just brush your hair with your detangling brush to blend it with your Brazilian wool clip-ins. So right here at the top section, I'm going to have 2 7-inch weft and 1 12-inch weft. So I'm just going to open my line right there, and then I'm going to start with the 7-inch weft with 3 clips. Yeah, so just open and then detangle your hair. I did not use heat on my hair guys. I just washed and combed it. I did not use any heat, but I should have used heat because my hair was really tangled. Yeah, but I did not use heat. Yeah, so I just added the 7-inch clip with 3 clips. I'm going to add another 7-inch clip with 3 clips right here, and then the 12-inch I added it at the top, like at the front. For the last clip-in that I'm adding, I'm going to open my line right here from one side of the ear to the other side of the ear. So the 12-inch weft that I had was a little bit longer than my ear to ear measurements is 11, so the 12-inch was longer, but I just flipped it and pinned it at the back of you see it guys. You see it. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and join the family. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your support guys. I really appreciate. I'm adding this 12-inch clip with 4 clips. So I'm just going to start from right here and then go all the way to the other side of the ear. And like I said, this is longer than my actual ear to ear measurements. Yeah, so I'm just going to clip right there, the 3rd clip. This is the remaining part. I'm going to flip it, and then I'm going to clip behind this same clip in. Yeah, so just flip right there and then pin it behind, and that's it guys. So after doing this, I'm going to brush the remaining hair that is at the top right there, and then I'm going to tie my hair. I'm going to be using thread to tie my bubbles, and I just tripled it. So right there, I'm just going to hold my hair according to the size of the bubble that I want, and then I'm just going to wrap around my thread, and then I'm going to tie. So just wrap around, do it as many times as you want, and then just tie a knot. And then after tying a knot, I'm going to make a second bubble before I join with the section right there below. So just do your second bubble, and then after doing your second bubble, I'm going to connect the second bubble with the that part that I tied my second section. So just connect right here, guys. Before you make your third bubble, just connect the hair that is on at the top section and the hair that is below right here, and then use the hair that is remaining from the top section to cover your natural hair, guys, so that it won't show, yeah. So then do your third bubble and then tie and continue doing the rest of the bubble, guys. So this here was inspired, I saw the inspiration pic on Pinterest, and at the front she had single twist, but I just decided to do 2 bubble braids at the front to just go with the style. Yeah, bubble braid at the back and 2 at the front. Yeah, I just decided to do my own twist into the hairstyle. Yeah, so it was inspired by the picture I saw on Pinterest, but she had twist at the front, and I decided to put 2 bubble braids at the front. So after doing my bubble braids right there at the back, I'm just going to tie the ends and then cut off the thread, and then I'm going to do the bubble braids at the front, guys. I'm going to show you how I will be adding Brazilian wool to make it longer. So I've already done one, and I'm going to show you this one. So take your thread again and then tie your hair loosely, not too tight, guys, because you want to crochet the Brazilian wool into the hair. So if you do it too tight at the first time when you tie it, it's going to cause tension to your hair and your scalp, guys. So first you have to do it like a little bit loose, and then pass your crochet through, take your Brazilian wool and then go to the ends and then hook it with your crochet and then pass it through like that. Pull one side like that and make sure the length is equal to the other side. Hold your Brazilian wool and your natural hair together, and there's no need to hide your hair because it is the same texture with the wool if you have 4C, but if you don't have 4C, you can hide it in between the wool. So right here I'm doing African threading method, about half an inch, and guys, I started from the root going up, guys. That way it will cover the part that you crocheted. It won't show, it will look like it's your hair coming from the scalp, like you did not add anything, guys. Yeah, so that is the reason why I started with the African threading method. And after that, I'm just going to continue to do my small bubbles right there, guys. As you can see, the roots, it's all blending, it's looking like it's my hair coming from the scalp. So you have to do the African threading right at the bottom so that it will blend everything together. And then I'm just going to continue to do my bubbles, tie my hair, going all the way down, guys. So I did 10 small bubbles right here at the front, and then after you're done, you can just cut off your thread and the remaining Brazilian wool. I'm using Isoplast gel to brush my edges only. The rest of the hair I did not use gel on it. So after that, I'm going to tie my scarf. I just added some accessories to the hair to make it pop, guys, and this is how it's looking on me. This is the final look, guys. Do let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section down below, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best, guys. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section down below, and share, guys. Like the video. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.